yard, possibly calling up for an attack. Scanner, we have numbers in excess of 20 enemy combatants now. I'm counting 6, 7, 8 in a baseline on that blue smoke over. What's going on here?
Hey guys, welcome to Operation Sledgehammer, a 35-hour event hosted by Warzone Battlesimulation. Operation Sledgehammer takes place in the town of Blecon, otherwise known as the Senny Bridge FIBUA in the Brecon Beacons. The operation is set in the late 1990s and sees the KLA, the Kosovan Liberation Army, fight out against SAF, the Serbian Armed Forces. Top Hat Airsoft and Team Cerberus, with two others, Andy and Sean, make up the main battle group, Lynx. We will be fighting alongside four other battle groups, Eagle, Talon, Fox and Wolf, all under the watchful eyes of our 1IC Commander Pullin and his 2IC James Taylor. We, the KLA, are aware of the impending attack on Blecon from SAF, so I'll hand over to James, our 2IC, for the latest intelligence update.
In the southwest of Kosovo in order to secure a foothold and plan future operations. We have been warned about the attack by the Joint Special Operation Command, so we know that the SAF are not far away and are preparing for an assault on the town of Blecon. Small arms of various types, specifically Armalite and AK varieties, and have been known to have grenades of smoke and HE. They are wearing green camouflage of various types.
Intelligent target list, enemy combatant, wanted top priority, name Ben Franklin. He's a white male.
It's worth explaining at this point that throughout the operation we have 5 high-value targets to capture from SAF.
1982, age 33 years. There's photo ID of Ben. Okay.
Following the briefing, we had an operation start at 0200 hours. The KLA patrolled through and out of the town towards the west, circling around the south of Blecon and re-entering from the east via the woods behind building 08 and 18. We met no resistance on our way in, so headed into town and started going door to door to try and meet with the locals. This included the local pub.
Here, camera! Hello!
Beckenham!
Hello!
David Beckenham!
Hello!
Manchester City!
No, Manchester City! Manchester United!
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm fucking Beckenham.
Bobby Moore!
Bobby Moore!
Bobby Moore! Bobby Moore! Bobby Moore! Bobby Moore!
6.5 hours later.
Keep going.
You Talon?
After the night's events at around 6 AM, we were ordered back to the CP and were given 2 hours downtime for food and sleep. You join us as we go back out on patrol.
Push that back building there. Keep going. Go. Double time. Go, boys. Go.
Cross you! Medic!
I'll quickly explain the medic rule for the event. First hit, a tourniquet is applied and back in. Second hit, section medic has to administer an IV, a 250ml bottle of water drunk by the dead player. Your tourniquet is then removed and back in. You continue like this until the section's IVs are exhausted.
Last man, Brad!
We set out from our CP and head to building 6 to clear it, moving behind 14 and 15, enter 16 for a visual on our objective building 20.
Go.
Last one.
Hit!
Wheels hit outside, so put it in.
Hit! Medic! First floor, left-hand side window!
Yeah, we're talking about not just going around the arse end of 22, but going out into the actual wooded area behind it, and then coming in behind building 19, and then through 19 to 20. Okay.
Guys on the end of the road as well. That's a sniper. Get moving. Move it. Shift.
Stu, come on. 2 on the 6.
Moving, Stu. Stu.
A couple more friendlies with us as well, over.
Okay, outstanding. How do you feel about making a push to 19? Yeah, pretty good, mate. We're going to get a baseline and fucking move up now, because we're quite deep into the forest. Over. Fire. Take some real ground. Say again, say again. Bradley needs an IV. Move.
With me.
Bradley, light him up, we'll move. Stu with me! Bradley, go! Go, Bradley, go! "30 metres from her. Brad going in. Go on, Bradley, get rid of it.
Over the top, Stu. Move.
Tank, move! Fire coming in! Building left hand window!
Two drop basement, 2 drop top. Stu.
Get with him. We got eyes on.
Possible offensive on this building.
Across from the one I'm looking at. Next one along, not for the number. Got an enemy outside.
On the offensive, boys, on the offensive. Frags coming in.
As you can see, although we initially took and held Building 19, it was only a matter of time before a lack of reinforcements meant we lost it to SAF forces. Keep your eyes peeled for part 2 of the Operation Sledgehammer series.